Have you ever wondered how to access unlimited streaming content right at your fingertips? Today, we're diving into the world of IPTV playlists, your gateway to endless entertainment. First, let's demystify IPTV for those unfamiliar with this revolutionary streaming solution. IPTV essentially allows you to stream television content over the internet, bypassing cable. Now, to add an IPTV playlist, you'll need a reliable provider, like the best from 2tv.store. Next, download a compatible IPTV player app available on your smart TV or device. Open the app and locate the Add Playlist feature, typically found in the main menu. Here comes the magic. Import the playlist URL provided by your IPTV provider seamlessly. With the URL added, save the setting and watch your playlist load with multiple channels. Navigate through channels effortlessly, exploring the new world of content just for you. Struggling? Fear not, as most IPTV apps come with user-friendly guides and troubleshooting. Remember, picking the right IPTV provider like 2tv.store ensures a smooth experience always. By now, your IPTV playlist should be up and running, offering content limited only by choice. Explore various genres, live broadcasts, and on-demand content. The options are limitless. Why wait? Dive in and transform how you access television with IPTV immediately. Hit subscribe for more guides, and remember, for an optimal IPTV experience, choose wisely.